Refocusing on the facts. A key to effective communication and decision-making. In today's fast-paced and often emotionally charged world, it's easy to get caught up in opinions, assumptions, and biases. However, when we focus on the facts, we can make more informed decisions, communicate more effectively, and build stronger relationships. In this article, we'll explore the importance of refocusing on the facts, strategies for doing so, and the benefits of fact-based communication. The importance of facts in communication. Facts are the foundation of effective communication. When we focus on verifiable evidence and data, we can 1. Build trust. Facts help establish credibility and trust with others. 2. Make informed decisions. Facts inform our decisions, reducing the risk of errors and misunderstandings. 3. Avoid misunderstandings. Facts clarify issues, reducing the likelihood of miscommunication. 4. Resolve conflicts. Facts can help resolve conflicts by providing a shared understanding of the situation. Strategies for refocusing on the facts. Refocusing on the facts requires intention and practice. Here are some strategies to help you stay fact-focused. 1. Verify information. Before sharing information, verify its accuracy through reputable sources. 2. Use data and statistics. Use data and statistics to support your arguments and illustrate points. 3. Avoid assumptions. Be aware of your assumptions and challenge them with facts. 4. Seek diverse perspectives. Seek out diverse perspectives and experiences to broaden your understanding. 5. Stay objective. Strive to remain objective, separating facts from opinions and biases. Benefits of fact-based communication. Fact-based communication has numerous benefits, including 1. Increased credibility. Focusing on facts establishes credibility and trust with others. 2. Improved decision-making. Facts inform decisions, reducing the risk of errors. 3. Enhanced collaboration. Fact-based communication fosters collaboration and cooperation. 4. Reduced conflict. Facts can help resolve conflicts by providing a shared understanding. Challenges to refocusing on the facts. While refocusing on the facts is essential, there are challenges to consider. 1. Information overload. The sheer volume of information can make it difficult to discern fact from fiction. 2. Biases and assumptions. Our own biases and assumptions can cloud our judgment and interpretation of facts. 3. Emotional influence. Emotions can influence our perception of facts, leading to biased decision-making. Overcoming challenges. To overcome these challenges, consider the following strategies. 1. Critical thinking. Practice critical thinking to evaluate information objectively. 2. Seek diverse sources. Seek out diverse sources of information to broaden your understanding. 3. Fact-checking. Verify information through reputable fact-checking organizations. 4. Reflective practice. Reflect on your own biases and assumptions, and strive to remain objective. Conclusion. Refocusing on the facts is a crucial aspect of effective communication and decision-making. By verifying information, using data and statistics, avoiding assumptions, seeking diverse perspectives, and staying objective, we can build trust, make informed decisions, and resolve conflicts. While challenges exist, strategies like critical thinking, seeking diverse sources, fact-checking, and reflective practice can help us overcome them. By prioritizing fact-based communication, we can achieve greater success and understanding in our personal and professional lives.